With rapid urbanization, the country is facing massive waste management challenge. The current waste management practice in India involves collecting waste from sources through a community collective bin system after which it gets transported to a low-lying landfill system. The open dumping practice is leading to various problems like pollution and health hazards. Both surface and groundwater are affected by this. Not only this, but even the government spends crores of money each year in order to classify waste and putting it into proper use. Waste is scarcely segregated and is left to rot by the roadsides, which involves physical handling of waste by workers. This segregation results in workers getting injured or diseased due to toxic waste. So we need a solution that segregates waste into recyclable and non-recyclable and converts the recyclable waste to manure. Yeah, and the solution is bot bin. Bodbin collects the waste consisting of recyclable and non-recyclable. With the help of camera, it identifies the waste, segregates the waste using machine learning image classification algorithm that is fed into it using the Raspberry Pi chip. The waste moves to the respective columns. Recyclable waste column consists sand with enzymes. This waste is composted by enzymes into manure and the manure can be collected from the nozzle. Here is the working of the bot bin. Advantages of bot bin are that the workers are safe from exposure to diseases, provides manure faster, and saves government's money. So finally, we can conclude that the bot bin provides facility for easy classification of waste, close design to avoid pests, faster conversion of recyclable waste to manure, and place occupancy of waste is highly reduced. Hence, bot bin is a one-stop solution for classification and composting of waste.